Are you looking for a way to improve your customer support and boost client satisfaction? In this video, we're diving into GoTo Resolve, a powerful software designed to help businesses streamline customer support processes. But is it really the best solution to keep your clients happy? Stick around because, while GoTo Resolve has its strengths, there are also some drawbacks you need to know about before deciding if it's right for your business. Plus, I'll share an exclusive offer for the best free trial, and you'll also get insight into other options that could help you achieve your goals even better. First things first, GoTo Resolve is known for offering robust remote support tools that make it easy to manage client issues. Whether you're offering troubleshooting or handling technical problems, it lets support agents remotely access a client's device to resolve issues instantly. This feature is crucial for customer satisfaction, especially when clients are frustrated and need immediate solutions. However, remote support isn't always foolproof. Connectivity issues and the need for clients to be tech-savvy can create hurdles, so it's not a perfect solution for everyone. Next thing, GoTo Resolve provides a ticketing system to track customer inquiries. This is an important feature because tracking ensures no case is left behind, which is key to delivering timely support. But here's the thing, it lacks advanced customization compared to some of its competitors. Customization of workflows can be limited, which can make it harder for teams to scale or adjust to their specific needs. Plus, if you're a growing company, you might find that GoTo Resolve doesn't quite keep up with your evolving requirements. The third thing I want to point out is its integration capabilities. GoTo Resolve integrates with other tools like CRM systems and knowledge bases, which is essential for providing a holistic customer support experience. However, it's not as seamless as other platforms out there. Sometimes, these integrations feel clunky or require additional technical setup. It might work fine for small businesses, but for larger enterprises with complex tech stacks, it might not be ideal. The fourth thing, customer self-service, is a strong selling point for GoTo Resolve. They offer automated responses and knowledge-based features that empower customers to find answers on their own. This can reduce the burden on support agents and improve response time. But if your clients prefer a more personalized experience, these automated systems might come off as impersonal and unsatisfactory. Finally, let's talk pricing. GoTo Resolve is generally more affordable than some of its competitors, making it an attractive choice for small to medium businesses. But affordability doesn't always equal value, especially when your goal is to deliver the highest level of client satisfaction. When compared to others on the market, GoTo Resolve's pricing doesn't offer the most comprehensive features for that price point. So, what's the best solution for improving customer satisfaction? While GoTo Resolve does have its merits, there are better options out there, depending on what exactly you need. Some alternatives provide deeper customization, smoother integrations, and better customer service capabilities, all at a similar or even better price. Now, I'm excited to share that we've partnered with some of these alternatives to offer you an exclusive extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. These tools can elevate your customer support experience and truly drive client satisfaction. Check out the link in the description to access the best free trial and get exclusive benefits tailored for our viewers.